2001 Chevy Silverado 1500 regular cab LS Shortbox stepside with a Z71 package and much more. Best of all though, one owner vehicle, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 52,000 on this one. 5.3 liter underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Take a look at the front grille. Bumper, Summit white. Gray interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one, folks. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the aluminum wheels. You'll be able to see a window sticker of this vehicle too, and with the still pictures. It'll show you that this does come with the trailering, special equipment package. Those aluminum wheels were an option. Locking rear diff. And as you can see, the paint on this, great shape. Very well taken care of truck. Front 40-20-40 split bench seat with folded down armrest. Very stock looking from what I've been able to tell too. Haven't noticed any major modifications. Take a look at this bed. Paint conditions like the rest of the truck. It definitely wasn't worked. I think this was somebody's nice driver that they used. And again, take a look at those still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you're familiar with these trucks at all, you know when they start to rot out and they get salt and what have you up in the bumper, it comes out that bottom side, bumpers will flake. Not on this one. This was not a Midwest truck at all, ever in its life. And again, look at that box. I don't know if hardly anything ever has been slid across that tailgate. This thing's unbelievable back here. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out those still pictures. Remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. If you want somebody to look at this, you can. But again, clean Carfax, one owner. You'll also be able to see a technician's checklist and report in with the still pictures on this one. They didn't come up with anything. AC blows cold, power steering, power brakes. Everything functions as it should. As we take a look down the driver's side here, again, you can see paint's in great shape. And if you like watching videos of older trucks, maybe classic cars, muscle cars, sports cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what will pop up here at Unique Classic Cars. All these vehicles are available to purchase when the videos are made on them. So just like checking out cars, go ahead and subscribe. Also comes with WeatherTech floor mats already installed. Does not surprise me. The previous owner of this, meticulous. That's kind of a dark gray. Let me step back. Otherwise, I don't want to wash it out a little bit if I get on top of it. There's the true color of that interior, kind of a darker gray. Sometimes when I get right up on certain colors, it wants to wash them out. As you can see, seating surface, no rips, tears, holes, nice shape. Headliner, good shape. Drop the keys. All right, let's fire this up. Of course, auto four-wheel drive here or two-wheel high, then push button for your transfer case. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. There's your exact miles, 52,366. AM, FM, CD player. Dash looks good. Tell this truck was stored indoors, no doubt about that. We'll also take this truck for a drive at the very end of the video. So if you want to see how it goes down the road, we're going to put the camera in it. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Sounds stock. Sounds good. I'll slip up to the front. Let's check out this engine bay. and then we'll wrap up this walk around video and stick around for that driving video. There's a look at the underside of the hood and the hood liner, nice and clean. I don't think this thing's hardly been driven in inclement weather. Battery replaced with an AC Delco. Definitely well taken care of truck. Wow. No surprises on this one. 2001 Chevy Silverado LS package, Z71 4x4. Regular cab, short box, step side, clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for that extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And I wouldn't wait. I don't think this one's going to last too long.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2001 Chevrolet Silverado. This is a step-side regular cab pickup with only 52,344 miles currently. It's just broken in. This is a 4x4 with towing abilities. We've got the overdrive override button. Oil pressure is 60. The fuel gauge is working, showing half a tank. Volts are over 14, and temperature is about 195, right where it should be. Factory tachometer equipped is working well. Factory stereo also working well. We have a CD player here. It really feels like a new truck. It's got great road handling. You can tell that suspension, the way it hits the road, it just feels new, feels good. Cloth seats with a fold down center back for storage or a seat. Excellent brakes. Corners well, it doesn't lean much. Kind of a classic color being white. Even that bed. Inside the bed looks great. It's not all dinged up. You can tell it wasn't worked very hard. It's a nice, low mile, clean truck. Goes nice and straight down the road. Letting go of the wheel, no pull to either side. Take a look at the pictures underneath, in the engine bay, and everywhere in between at UniqueClassicCars.com.